Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this one guys, we have the JSW TV black screen issue where the screen is black or blank, and of course you might hear sounds from your TV but nothing displays on the display. Alright, so in case you're having that particular issue, this is a demonstration on how to fix the problem. So as you can see here, this is a JSW TV, and first thing you do is go ahead and plug the TV out from the outlet. So go ahead and where there's an outlet, go ahead and power down the TV, and then, or should I say, just go ahead and unplug the TV. Or if it's in a strip, make sure that you totally turn off the strip. I should recommend that you plug this directly in the wall if possible. But of course, depower the strip. Once you have depowered the strip, next thing you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna find the power area. The TV should be turned off. As I said, I'm just demonstrating. So here, while the TV is off, you're gonna find the power button. The power button is gonna be around here. So I've powered it off completely by unplugging it. You're gonna go ahead and find that button. It's right under here. It's a raised button, and it's right beneath the JSW TV section here. You're gonna press and you're gonna hold. And what you want to do now is to press and hold. You're gonna count to 60. Make sure there's no lights on the TV, and of course you're gonna count to 60. Once you have finished, stop. You're gonna plug the TV back in. So make sure that you plug it in, and of course, or just turn off the strip to make sure you have the TV off. Then you're gonna press and hold the power button, and the trick here guys is to press and hold the power button, and this time while the TV is plugged in, it should power on. So go ahead and press and hold. It should take about 15 to 20 seconds normally for it to power back on. So just give it a little time. Alright, there you go. So it should power back up, and once it's powered back up, you should see something on display. If it doesn't do this, go ahead and leave it plugged out overnight or unplugged overnight, and then try it in the morning. And of course, in most cases it requires several attempts, so you can actually repeat the first step of unplugging it and holding down the power for 60 seconds several times before giving up, as in most cases it should fix the problem. Alright, so I hope this solves your issue. Remember, patience is key with this black screen issue. Alright, so you should be able to fix it, and that's it. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.